thing in track mode. Yeah?
Yeah.
You ready for track mode?
Yeah.
Sure? Positive. You ain't gonna get scared, are you?
No.
All right. What up, guys? Who is LouieXIII back again? I am Louie. As you can see, we got the whip, man. And yes, I've been dealing with a whole lot of issues lately, and don't mind the whip right now, man. It's super dirty. There's been a bunch of fires around California right now, and where I'm at in Central California, we're right smack dab in the middle of it. So I haven't been able to wash her. But man, I've been wanting to, I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, man, we've been dealing with a whole lot of issues lately, it seems like. That's all I'm making videos about right now, man. But the issue I'm dealing with right now with my car is it keeps heating up on me for some reason, and I don't know why. I do have a 180-degree thermostat in there, so I don't know if it's just like not working or what, I don't know. Unfortunately, I don't think that's what it is. Hopefully it is, I don't know, maybe it's just a bad thermostat. Hopefully that's all it is. We're gonna find out, because I'm gonna take it out and I'm gonna put the original stock one back in, see if that makes a difference. But and then we'll go test it out, you know, and see if it overheats. But basically what's happening is when I accelerate, the heat just goes up. You know, while I'm driving, it's a little more hot, because with the 180-degree thermostat, it was running at like 185 consistently while I'm driving, and now it's at about like 195 if I'm not pushing on it. But as soon as I accelerate, then the temps start going up, and they almost got up to like 230 or something like that. So I know that ain't normal, and the temp little lever thing just keeps doing this. It's never consistent, it's just always moving around. So I don't know what it is. The car is brand new, so I mean, I hope it wouldn't be a head gasket, I don't know. Could maybe be the fans not turning on. I'm hoping it's just something real simple. Hopefully it's this, man, and I can just send that one back, get a new 180-degree thermostat, and hopefully I don't have to deal with taking it in or nothing like that, because I really don't want to have to go through that. But we'll see, man. Worst comes to worst, I'm gonna have to take it in and see what they say. But we're about to get started. I'm about to go ahead and, you know, remove the 180-degree thermostat, put this one in there, and then we'll take it on a little test drive, and hopefully that's what it is. I don't know. If you guys have any idea what it is, well, we'll see after. But if you guys have any idea what it is and it doesn't end up being that, then let me know. Drop it down in the comments. I appreciate that. Before we do get started, if you're not familiar with the content, for everybody that is, you already know what it is. We do a whole lot of stuff in Mexico, you know what I'm saying? We do test it out, see what it's all about. We do a lot of DIY mods. We do a whole lot of stuff, a whole lot of car stuff, a whole lot of fun stuff. So if you guys are interested, go check out the videos. If you enjoy the content, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, drop a comment down below. Tell me what you guys want to see next. Tell me what I can improve on, and I'll be sure to get it done for you guys. All those likes, comments, and subscriptions for sure definitely help with the channel growing, so I appreciate all the love and support, and we're gonna just keep going up, man. But like I said, without further ado, let's get into it, and hopefully we can get this figured out today. So yeah, another reason why I'm taking this off is because if I do take it in, I don't want the 180-degree thermostat in there and them say, oh, this is the reason whatever happened, even though that I know that isn't the case. You know, you never want to give them a reason to try and void your warranty, you know. So it's just a little safety measure, even if this isn't the cause of the issue, which, like I said, I'm hoping it is. Alright, so that's back on there. Everything's good to go. I'm just gonna burp the system real quick. Probably add a little more coolant back up in there from what we lost. Clean this up, and then we'll take it on a little test drive and see how it does. I might as well get you guys a little cold start, you know. Video wouldn't be right without one, would it? You guys see the red guts? I would get one back there for you guys, but don't happen with the hood up. Yes, sir. nonetheless, sounds great. So I'm just gonna burp the system like I said, and once that's all done and over with, I put the coolant back in there. Like I said, we'll go on a little test drive, and hopefully that'll be the issue. Check it out, guys. That might have been my issue, because this thing is all bent up, and look, it looks like it's all bent up, and like this part came off somehow. I don't know the heck. I don't know how the hell that happened. If you guys could tell me how the hell that would happen, I definitely would like to know. You see that? The heck? I'm gonna have to hit up Mishimoto about that. That's crazy. So hopefully that was the issue there. That's kind of, I don't know how the hell that happened though. I'm still burping the system, but I'm thinking that that's what caused the issue right there. Look at that. The hell? Crazy. Let me know in the comments if you guys ever seen that before and what could have caused that. Must have already been like a messed up one that they sent me. I don't know. So I'm making sure to properly burp the system this time. I don't know if that's what happened last time. Maybe there was too much pressure in there and that's what caused that thermostat to get like that. I don't know. But this time I'm making sure I properly burp it. Got my boy Rube right here helping me out. Yes sir. Say what's up to YouTube, Rube. Say what's up. Say what's good with it. That's right.
Ooh, getting hot.
Getting hot, huh? Yeah, you got to get it hot when you burp it. That way all that air, all the air bubbles could come out. See how the air bubbles are coming up? All right, system's all burped. Rube said he wants to go on a little test drive, so I'm gonna take him with me. Go ahead, Rube, it's open. It's gonna be hot though.
Yeah.
I gotta keep the heater on because we're burping the system still.
You put it on here?
Yeah, just put it down there. Just don't touch nothing, all right?
Okay.
No, I'm just kidding. You ever been in a Charger before?
No.
This is your first time?
Yeah.
All right.
Well, how about your number for it? Because I remember to it.
I sold it, dude.
You showed it?
Yeah.
Where you showed it to?
Hold up. Why the hell isn't this thing on? Oh, there we go.
Auto.
Tripped me out right there. Thing wasn't on. All right, we good to go. Ready, Rube?
Yeah.
All right.
No jam?
No, we can't because of YouTube, man.
YouTube?
Yeah, it's copyright.
Oh.
Can't play the jams right now, dude.
Ooh,
It's hot on. I gotta keep the heater on, dude. That way we can burp the system still. You got the sweater on and everything?
Yeah, I'm gonna get golf for them.
You're gonna take it off?
Yeah.
All right, hold up. Go ahead. You need to get out to do it or what?
Yeah, don't wanna.
Yeah, here, look. There's a little spot right here in the side door. Hey, you got a bunch of dirt on your jacket?
Yeah.
From what?
I'm doing kind of grass. Got the hose soon.
Yeah, now I'm gonna have to vacuum the whole shit now, man.
I'll vacuum.
I'm just fucking with you, Rube. You got grass all in your hair too.
Oh, man.
You were mowing the lawn or what?
Yeah.
You're lucky you're Rube, man. I would've kicked somebody out for that. What do you think, Rube?
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Maybe one day when I blow up, I'll get you one, bro.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Would you like these ones or the Challengers better?
Challenger better.
Charger?
Yeah.
That's right. What's your favorite car?
Like a Cadillac.
Oh, a Cadillac?
Yeah.
Which, what kind?
A room.
Maroon?
Yeah.
That's right. What year?
2007.
Which one?
2007.
What?
2007.
7?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I don't know which 7 you're talking about, but I feel you, man. Cadillacs are dope. You look like a Cadillac type of dude. I can see you in a Caddy.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Maybe I'll get you a Cadillac instead then. You gotta wait till I blow up though.
Is it August already? September. I can't remember.
It's August. My birthday next month.
Oh, I'm gonna be 30 in November.
In November?
Yeah.
30-30?
Yeah.
Damn, that's right. Why you lying, Rube? You're gonna be 39, fool. You lying ass motherfucker, man. Trying to be sly, huh?
Yeah.
Why you lying for, bro?
Who's that?
I don't know. So we're gonna throw this thing in track mode. sure? Positive. You ain't gonna get scared, are you?
No.
All right. You sure? You don't get car sick?
No.
You better not throw up in here, Rube.
Oh, no.
When's the last time you threw up?
I go up in my bullet car.
When?
Remember my bullet car in fast?
And you threw up?
Yeah.
Oh shit, we ain't gonna do no fast driving
No.
then. Good thing I asked, because I was about to go ham with this shit.
Oh.
I was about to try to see if I could scare you a little bit, man.
No.
Nah? Not a good idea?
No.
Alright, cool. Good thing I asked. Shit. I would have been real mad, not gonna lie. My car is running all right. I am gonna have to go a little fast though. Let me know if you start to get car sick, all right?
Okay.
And if you do, we'll pull over. Huh?
That's gay, huh?
Yeah. Slow down?
Yeah.
Alright. You don't like fast?
No, not
Alright, I got you, Rube.
Yeah.
I got you, buddy. Normally I try to scare people, bro.
No?
Yeah. I know, man. People messing up the earth, huh? Probably not. I still haven't even ate yet, dude.
I mean eat nothing.
You hungry?
Yeah.
Alright. I'll get you something to eat. What do you want to eat?
I think that, cheeseburgers.
A cheeseburger?
Yeah.
Alright. Where's your favorite cheeseburger spot? McDonald's?
Yeah.
You sure? You don't like In-N-Out?
In-N-Out better.
Better?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, come on, man. That's your favorite one.
In-N-Out.
Alright. Yeah, In-N-Out's way better than McDonald's. So I think that was my issue, guys, because the car's not heating up anymore.
Yeah.
It's staying at the same temperature. Well, actually, I need to get on it one more time, alright, Rube?
Okay.
Because I need to see if the temperature goes up. But yeah, man, you guys seen that freaking, I'll show you guys again before the video's over. Yeah. That thing was all warped. So I don't know how that happened. Maybe I didn't burp the system right last time or what, I don't know. But it seems to be fixed. No more. But yeah, man, that was my issue. So man, I'm happy. Yeah. I was kind of dreading having to take it back in, but as you guys can see, I'm gonna have to get another 180-degree thermostat because I like my temperature to be at like 185 like it was. But at least right now it's staying consistent. It's not rising like it was, because it was getting to like 220, 230, and this thing was going crazy over here. You know what I'm saying, Rube?
Yeah.
You feel me? So hey, at least I found my problem, guys, so I'm happy. I was having an issue, Rube.
Issue, Christian?
Yeah, dude. My freaking coolant temperature kept rising.
Oh,
yeah, it's because the damn thermostat in there, I don't know, somehow it got warped.
Oh.
Yeah, so I'll show you when we get back to the crib.
Like my sister card. Like my sister card doesn't work. Not working too good.
No? She has to take it in, get it checked out.
Not yet.
Came to In-N-Out real quick. You guys know I don't mess with I just don't eat fast food or anything like that, but my boy Rube said he's hungry, so you know, came to hook him up real quick. They got a long ass line, man. Y'all people are lazy as hell. Look at that line right there, man. I said, hell no, I ain't waiting in that line. I was about to go to McDonald's, but luckily we could go in. No, we could go in there. Yeah, we'd be all right. What you looking at, Rube? Hey, don't be a creep now, man. Don't be a creep, Rube. Be respectful, man. You know what I'm saying? Gotta respect the ladies, man. You know? Remember that. That's how you get you a girlfriend one day. You just gotta be respectful, and it'll happen one day for you, Rube. I promise you, bro. A lot of people, huh?
Yeah, a lot of people here.
It's all good, bro. So here it is, guys. We're back at the house, obviously. But yeah, man, I don't know how that happened. I don't know if when I put it in there, I put it in and this thing got caught, but that thing's pretty hard to move, so I don't know, man. But I'm gonna send this thing back. Hopefully they'll send me another one. I'm gonna hit them up about it. But hey, man, I'm just glad that that caused the issue that I was having, because you do not want this thing overheating. They already run warm as it is. So I definitely got to get another one of these, because it's been real hot lately, and you already know how we do. We got to keep it as cool as possible. But either way, I'm happy that I was able to find the issue, and it was very small.
That's what she said.
Nothing major. Very glad about that. But that's gonna do it for this one. If you guys enjoy the content, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, drop a comment down below. Tell me what you guys want to see next, and tell me what I can improve on, and I'll get it done for you guys. Thank you guys so much. All links to my social platforms and everything I use and recommend are in the description. Go up in there and check it out. It's all there for you. Other than that, who is LouieXIII checking out? Salute. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one.